As part of the SUNation family, you already know we do things differently around here. That's why you chose us. Most importantly, we actually have fun doing what we do. For over 15 years now, each of you have contributed to helping us realize a dream, one roof at a time. And for that I say thank you. The holiday season is about family and friends and being thankful for what we have. I wish each of you love, peace, health, prosperity, and lots of fun in 2019. And on behalf of the entire SUNation team, Happy Holidays!
Happy Holidays! Ho, ho, ho!
Happy Holidays!
From the commercial install team here at SUNation, we want to wish you guys a happy holiday.
Happy Holidays!
From all of us in the SUNation processing team, we'd like to wish you a Happy Holiday!
Happy Holidays from SUNation Service!
Happy holidays from SUNation Solar.
Happy Holidays!
From the residential install team from SUNation, we'd like to wish you guys a
Happy Holidays!
From the service department here at SUNation Solar, we want to wish you all
Happy Holidays!
From the warehouse team, we would like to wish you all Happy Holidays!
From everyone here at the engineering team, we'd like to wish you a
Happy Holidays!
From the HR and Finance Department, we'd love to wish you
Happy Holidays!